Hey guys, it's Grace. Welcome back to the channel. So today's video I want to share with you the new collections hitting the shop tomorrow. We have a new release collab with Charmaine Duloc. This is our Autumn Mornings collection. The first thing in here is this new washi cutter we have. This is illustrated by Charmaine. Every single detail in this washi cutter is drawn by her. So speaking of washi tape, our washi tape, you could purchase them as a set. This one will be with 15mm and 10mm. The first one I will show you guys is the 15mm. This has the resident services building and also some of the villagers. These are our absolute favorite villagers and they're just catching maple leaves. The washi tape has rose gold foiling, so it'll kind of mimic the autumn leaves falling and the villagers catching them. So the next washi tape we have is the 10mm or millimeter, and this has the mushroom, the maple leaves, and also some autumn themed things that you could find during the fall season in Animal Crossing. I also did the foiling detail for the 10mm as well, and here's a better view of the washi tape. You can't really quite capture how pretty the rose gold is on camera, but in person it's just super pretty. Alright, so we are planning the week of the 11th through the 17th. I'm going to show you really quick what the kit looks like. Again, the bottom washi for this kit is actually designed by Charmaine. Everything else I recreated to match her art because she made her art first and then I was like, alright, I know what to do now. So the bottom washi here, everything is Charmaine's art, including the washi cutter art. I also added that here. The little leaves you see in the rest of the kit is also hand drawn by myself, so we kind of mix our art together for this one. We always actually do. The mushroom there with the villager and the resident service area is hers. The mushroom I redrew, and I just added here and there some artworks that she gave me. And then we also have a deco sheet. All of the art in the deco sheet is also hand drawn by myself. So this week we are starting with the thicker washi. I'm going to put that on the top right here, right underneath the date covers. I do this sometimes because I want to spread out where I place my stickers. The Tomoe River paper is very thin and delicate. It's so delicate that I have to make sure that I switch around my placement for the stickers so that it doesn't bulk up. So this little piece right here, I made it wide enough to kind of go until the end of the paper, but not really quite there, so it does cover the height of that area. And that artwork right there is Charmaine's. I'm gonna put the name of the kit over here just so that I know what it's called because I like it. And I'm just working on my sidebar here. I do track a little bit of things, including my skincare, hours work. I also put things I need to buy in the sidebar. I just want to do a quick appreciation post, or shout out, I guess you could say. So I want to say a quick thank you to Charmaine. I know you're watching this. Thank you so much for collabing with me every single time. I know this isn't easy for the both of us to do with all the things that's happening in our lives. I just want you to know that I appreciate you, and you guys watching this. Just know that me and Charmaine, we love you guys. Thank you so much for the support you show us every single time we have a collab. You guys come through. Thank you. So back to the plan with me. I'm just gonna decorate the rest of the space that I have, including putting the thinner washi in the bottom. I kind of don't do the hourly every single time because I have all of those details in my daily pages. One day I'm gonna sit down and really show you guys how I plan in my dailies, because that's been one of my number one questions in my Instagram, is that how come I don't share my daily pages. And that's because I have a lot of shop stuff on there, and I don't think anybody cares about my business, like how I run my business and things like that. But one day I'm gonna set it up with you guys live on the channel like this with a plan with me, so that you could just kind of see how I do it in real time. guys, we are headed towards the end of the video. I just want to make sure you guys know that Charmaine and I will have different things available in our shop. The only thing that's the same are the washi cutters and the washi tape sets. So everything else is exclusive to each of our shop. As for my shop, I will have some things available as a bundle, so you only need to pick which sticker kit size you would like. So for example, you pick Hobonichi Cousin, I will have the sticker kit, the extra deco, the little Nintendo Switch stickers, and a vinyl set, the washi cutter, and also the washi tape available in one bundle. If you want to make sure you snag a washi cutter, make sure you grab the bundles first, and then everything else is available a la carte. So now I'm just showing you guys what's left over in the kit before I write my plans in, or like memory keep what's happened earlier this week. But this is what it looks like before the pen. Alright guys, so now after I have written in some of my plans this week, again, I have mentioned earlier that I am filming this midweek, so I already have a lot of stuff going on in the beginning of the week, and I already wrote them down. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is basically what's left over of the kit. I usually tuck this inside my planner to go with me just in case I need them all throughout the week. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Charmaine's video. I will have it linked down below. And also don't forget our releases go live tomorrow at 10 a.m. Central.